Okay, so we are going to view how to work with mathematical statistical functions in Pandas and plotting them directly in the Pandas without matplotlib. Okay, so you were stuck in this place. You always like forget to wrap it. Yeah, so let me explain why. So let's assume that you have simple Python array. Okay, for example, numbers, and this is. Can you say the here to extract me zeros index, second index, and the fifth index? Can you say like that?
No.
No, right?
Yes, it will give an error.
Yes. So think numbers like think pandas like this, okay?
Okay.
So pandas is also array, okay? It's data frame, but it's still array. So when you are giving them without this wrapping, okay, you are giving them like,
Okay.
it's like, do you know function? When you write the function like def,
Yes.
and like, for example, function is my, and what is this called?
Value.
It's called arguments.
Oh, arguments.
Yeah, it's like official name. So this is called arguments. And when you call this function, what did you do?
I'll just write my and then the argument inside of it. No, I'll just write my and brackets.
For example, here is like a function argument. So can you just say, so look, def my, and it requires argument a. So you are just calling like my without arguments.
Oh. I think it will work. It won't work.
It will not work because the argument is required to provide. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, when you write my and the one, okay, it will work, okay?
Yeah.
Because you provided an argument. What if you write my, let's say 1, 2? What will happen?
It won't work.
Because?
There's 2 arguments.
Yes. So when you call like that, there are 3 arguments, okay?
Okay.
But when you call like num and like this and like this, it will work. Why? Yes.
I'm thinking. Oh. I don't know. Really.
Okay. So what is this for? When you write 1, 2, 3, what is this?
The brackets, index brackets.
No.
Or
Forget. Just it's separate. What does it mean separately?
It means the list.
Yeah, list. So by wrapping them, you are providing a list. Okay.
Okay.
So list is just one argument. Okay. Then it like squeezes all of these components and gives only one argument. Okay. Like you got it?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
That's why we wrap it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So like. Okay.
So you mean like the the brackets inside is the list bracket and the outside bracket is the index bracket.
Yeah.
That's right?
Yeah, right.
Oh, okay.
List bracket, inside is
Pretty clear.
list bracket. Yeah, so by wrapping them, you're saying that all of these are just one. So think iris data frame is like a function, so it will accept only one argument. Yeah, so you're just giving one argument, like
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
So you got about counts. Can you say now, like what will be the mean? How to calculate the mean?
Min is basically equal to the sum of the values and deleted by their
Deleted?
count.
You said deleted.
I mean divided by the count.
Oh, divided. Okay. Yeah, divided. Do you know how to do that in Pandas?
I think there was a function called min.
Yes. So can you like say it?
One moment. So to find the mean.
Yeah. Just find the mean of sepal lengths. Yep. Mean. Can you just say iris data and mean?
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, it find the means. So okay, it find. This is like mean is like average. Can you find the standard deviation?
I think there's a function.
Yeah, STD. Yeah. Yeah, you find it right. Okay. Can you find the median?
Median?
Yes. Median.
Okay. You mean median? Median?
Yes. MEDI.
Oh.
Yep. Yep. Yeah. So this is median.
Yeah.
Okay. So we just went through all of this, and what about the quartiles? How do you think how to show them? Quartile, yeah. This is called quartile. 25%, 70%, 75, yeah.
You mean this one? I need to find these ones, yes?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You said quartiles?
Yeah. Quantile.
Quantiles?
Yeah. Quantile. Quantile. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. This is
So
name is
it found the 25th% or what?
It says in the bottom name is how many?
50.
So it is 50. So to provide 25th percentile, you should just write 0.25 as an argument. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes.
What about 0.75?
Okay.
Yeah.
Here it is.
0.8. What about if I want 0.25 and 75 simultaneously, like the columns?
Simultaneously?
Yes, at the same time.
Okay. I think this time I won't get it wrong. You said 0.25.
0.25.
95?
75.
Oh,
Yep. Yeah, you got it.
yeah.
So you are not making mistake on the wrapping. Okay. So can you find the ranges like minimum and maximum?
Oh, there was a function for this.
Yeah, minimum and maximum also. Yep. And can you like sepal lengths? It is data sepal lengths.
Oh, wait. What is Virginica and Seta?
Setosa, this one?
And
It
Virginia?
is the name of the like species.
Species?
Yeah, like bulldog, German Shepherd, Rottweiler,
Oh, you mean the species of the
flower.
iris?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Got it.
So iris data and the lengths. Yeah, sepal lengths. And describe this.
Describe.
Yeah, describe. Yeah, so this is like, wait, this should be like count. Wait, instead of describe, can you write like unique? Yeah, unique. Like,
Oh.
yeah, unique. Yep. So this is like, oh, this is.
Narrate.
Oh, wait. Wait, can you switch to describe again? Describe. Yeah, and instead of sepal lengths, write species. Sepal length, yeah, instead of this species. Yeah. Wait, can you write like correctly? I mean, from the looking, but by looking at the CSV, because I don't know the correct name of the column.
Oh, okay. Is there any species
Oh, wait.
column?
There is no species in your
I
case.
think there is maybe.
Yeah, variety. Yeah. I just saved that species, so yeah, that's why. Variety. Yep. So,
So,
can you describe me what's happening? What is like unique? What is top? Frick?
Frec is clearly from frequency.
Yep.
Frequency of the top, maybe.
Yeah. So, do you know the mode, right? Like,
Yes.
3, 3, 5,
Like the
1.
most common.
Yeah, the most common. So Virginica is the most common.
The most common, yeah.
Yeah.
So
50
it's top.
out of 150. Okay, you got it.
Yeah.
And the
And
unique.
as a unique is the number of species that are only one in the list.
Yeah. So can you like say it is data variety unique? Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. So it's three types, right?
Yeah.
Setosa,
It's three
versicolor,
types.
virginica.
I mean, like, why Virginica is here?
Uh,
It's pretty common.
yes, it's like, I mean,
This means, I mean, the unique means there's only three types.
yeah,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
so let's filter it. For example, okay, so let's filter. Can you write like iris species, iris variety, iris data variety? Yeah, iris data variety is equal to, like, is equal to 2 times. Equal to
Two
sign.
times.
No, equal to sign, this sign of equal. No,
Oh,
you,
equal to sign.
like
Yes.
2 times, write it 2 times.
Oh.
Yeah. And the is it setosa, for example. Yeah. Run this code.
Oh.
Yep. So do you
Okay.
remember from NumPy, like NumPy index and the equal to 4, for example? Do you remember our last lesson?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So did you
NumPy
get
is
like
equal to true.
what's happening here? Like,
Yes, of course. It shows like it shows true where setosa is right, and
yeah,
shows false where it's
you
not
got
setosa.
you got it. So instead of like this,
Yes,
you can just write like anything like
true.
vertical. Yeah, just like saying. Can you like, so can you
Mm-hmm.
plot a histogram? Like it is data dot plot kind hist. Yeah, and like, yeah, like set the beans to the 50, for example. 50. So they will be, yeah, 50. And the set the range from 0. So in the range you write 0 is wait, range is equal to, and just brackets. Yeah, and your range 0 and 8, let's say 8. Yeah, and your next argument will be alpha. Do you know what does alpha
Alpha.
mean? Yes, alpha. No, like
Um.
ph. Yeah. So set just like set 1. Yeah, and run this code. Yep. So you see this one, like, so I'm going to introduce you alpha. So set alpha to 0.3. So you got it, what's
Oh.
happening?
Yeah. It means like alpha is the alpha shows like the visibility of the graphs.
Yeah, like visibility, opacity, density, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was all.